Today, we're heading to Norway to explore 5 of its most stunning natural wonders, places where nature truly shows off: Geirangerfjord, Lofoten Islands, Preikestolen, Trolltunga, and the magical Northern Lights in Tromsø. First, Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site carved by glaciers, where steep cliffs drop into deep blue waters and waterfalls like the Seven Sisters cascade down with unbelievable power. Some mountain farms sit so high up the cliffside that farmers once tied ropes around their children to keep them from falling. Then we sail north to the Lofoten Islands, a chain of jagged peaks and tiny fishing villages above the Arctic Circle. Thanks to the Gulf Stream, Lofoten has a surprisingly mild climate. And yes, you can actually surf in the Arctic here. It's one of the only places on Earth where you can catch a wave under the midnight sun or witness the aurora borealis from a cozy red cabin. Next, we hike to Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, a flat cliff standing nearly 2,000 feet above Fjord with no safety rails and nothing between you and the vertical drop. It's one of Norway's most iconic hikes and has become a bucket list spot for travelers worldwide. But if you're looking for even more drama, there's Trolltunga, or the Troll's Tongue, a jaw-dropping rock ledge jutting horizontally out of a mountain 700 meters above Lake Ringedalsvatnet. It's a challenging 10 to 12-hour round-trip hike, but the view from the edge, where the land seems to float over the fjord, is pure magic and has become one of the most photographed spots in Scandinavia. Finally, we head to Tromsø, of the gateway to the Arctic, and one of the best places in the world to see the Northern Lights. Between late September and early April, the sky often bursts into waves of green, purple, and blue, nature's own light show, dancing in silence over snow-covered forests and frozen lakes. These 5 unforgettable places prove that Norway isn't just beautiful, it's otherworldly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more adventures from around the globe.